Preseason coaches poll released Thursday for MAC women's basketball. Defending regular season champions Bowling Green picked to finish second. Falcon sophomore guard Lexi Fleming named preseason all-second team. It's a complete 180 for BGSU after being picked to finish 11th out of 12 teams a year ago. Bowling Green proved preseason polls don't determine how the year turns out. So picked 11th or picked second, Robin Freilic's message doesn't change.
Preseason polls are typically a reflection of kind of how the year before went, and as we all know, the year before doesn't have much to do with this current season. So we've never put much stock into it. We talk a lot in our program about staying in the huddle, and the people's opinions and voices in the huddle are the ones that matter. Our message has been pretty consistent from day one since I've been here, and it's to get better, and that seems sort of nebulous at times, but I think if you get broader than that, or put your stock into things other than that, I think seasons can be really challenging. So we're focusing on this particular group getting better. We put a lot of emphasis in our program on individual player development, which lends itself to collective development.